Now we will solve question number 18 from the 0th phase bridge course from the chapter vectors. So it's the exercise question 18. A little change in this question I will do. Okay. So in this question it is given that A is given, and here it is written A vector B, which is perpendicular to A. So this A vector is not A vector. This is the A vector B. Let's call it vector. A vector B. The question is the vector A is given. We need to find the vector B which is perpendicular to A. We need to find the vector B which is perpendicular to A. Okay. So we know what we do in case of two perpendicular vectors. That's the dot product. Since the B vector is perpendicular to A, I can always say that A dot B is going to be 0. But there are infinite perpendicular vectors possible which will be perpendicular to A vector. Infinite. So we will not be calculating all infinite values. The thing is, they have given the 4 options. So in this case, I'll be checking the 4 options. Out of the 4 options, 1 has to be right and 3 will be wrong. So one by one, I'll check each and every option with a dot product with A. And if any one case it is becoming 0, that is going to be the right answer. So let me check the very first option. If this is the B, I assume if this is the B, then A cos theta plus A sin theta, A cos theta I cap plus A sin theta j cap dot product B cos theta I cap minus B sin theta j cap. So the dot product we know x component is multiplied with x component and the y component will be multiplied with the y component. So let's do the multiplication. So we'll have AB cos square theta if I multiply this plus of, not plus, this will be minus because this is a minus here, minus of AB sin square theta. This becomes AB cos square theta minus sin square theta. This is not becoming 0. So this is not perpendicular. First one is not the right answer. Let's go for the second, and this time I'll directly multiply. So in case of second option, x component with x component will give you AB sin theta into cos theta. And y component will be multiplied with y component. So minus of AB sin theta into cos theta. And this is becoming 0. So B is the right answer. I don't need to check the C and the third and the fourth option because I already got the right option. So this is a single option correct question. So the moment I'm getting the right option, I go for it because the 3 will be the wrong. The rest 3 options are going to be wrong. Okay. Thank you.